Hi everyone. In this tutorial, I will show you how to use this astronaut face insert. You can get this product in my Etsy shop, and for more details, please read the description below. And this is the subject that we're going to use. Alright, let's get started. The first thing we need to do is adjust the position of the subject. Put the subject below the face insert layer. Then move, resize, and rotate it until the face fits in the space provided. Once you're done, we move to the next step where we add shadow to add depth to it. To add a shadow, right-click at the face insert layer and go to Blending Options. We'll make two drop shadows, one for the top and one for his entire face. You can copy the properties I use here. This is for the top shadow. And this is for the face shadow. Next, we're going to match the light level. To match the light level, we need two adjustment layers to help us. Create a black-white adjustment layer and a level adjustment layer. Make sure to put them on top. Select the level adjustment layer and drag the marker to the right until everything almost disappears. Ignoring the shiny part of the helmet, we can tell the subject's face is slightly brighter because it's the last thing to disappear. So we need to reduce its brightness, but how much? To answer it, drag the marker to the left until his suit starts to be visible again. In this case, it's the shoulder and chest area. This is the brightness level we're going to use as a reference. Create a curve adjustment layer and clip it to the subject. Click on the top right point and drag it down until the brightness matches. Let's disable this adjustment layer and compare the result. This is the before and after. In the next step, we're going to adjust the saturation. To adjust the saturation, create a solid adjustment layer. Set the color to 50% gray and blending mode to luminosity. Put it on top, and we can see that his face is less saturated than his spacesuit. So I'm going to reduce his suit saturation. Create a hue saturation adjustment layer, clip it to the spacesuit. Click on the hand icon, click anywhere on his suit that you feel oversaturated. In this case, it's the orange part of his suit. And reduce the saturation value until it's close with the face's saturation. Do the same thing with his shoes. To test our adjustment result, we can use Color Picker. His face's saturation is around 45, and his surrounding is around 45 to 60, which is acceptable. This is before and after. Don't worry if you think it looks bland, because we're going to enhance them in the next stage. There are two ways to do it, using Color Lookup and Camera Raw Filter, and I will show you how to use both of them. First, we need to duplicate all layers, then merge them. Then go to Select All. Then Image Crop to remove all pixel that's outside of the canvas. Then duplicate it again. We will apply Color Lookup to this one and Camera Raw Filter to the other one. We will start with Color Lookup, which is very easy and convenient. Just create a Color Lookup adjustment layer, clip it, and select any filter you want. I think Crisp Warm looks good, but it's too intense, so let's reduce its opacity to 50%. This is before and after. The other method is the Camera Raw Filter. Hide the result of Color Lookup, select the other one, turn it into a smart object so we can change it again later. Then go to Filter, Camera Raw Filter. Don't be overwhelmed because I usually only use the light, color, effect, and calibration. Feel free to play around, or you can copy my style that I've made earlier. This is before and after. Click OK when you're done. I think we're done here. So let's review what we have done so far. First, we resize the subject. Then we add in shadow to the subject. Then we adjust the light level. Then we adjust the saturation. Then we use color lookup or camera raw filter for the final adjustment. And we're done. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to put them in the comments section. Until next time.